watching Supercore Tech, and I have some cool trick to share with you today, which is that if you have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you can do wonders using just this S Pen. If you're traveling solo and you want to click selfies and you have a nice background, you just need to set your phone at a distance. Open, let me tell you how you can do that. Open camera, open selfie camera. Place your phone. If you have a nice background and you need that whole background and you need yourself to be placed in that selfie, you just need to open your phone and place it at a distance. Take out this S Pen with you, and there's a button here. Just click that button once your frame is set and you will get a nice selfie along with the beautiful background. Try it for yourself, and not just you can use it with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. For that fact, if you have any device that has an S Pen or a pen, you can actually try it for yourself, and you can use this trick to click your selfies if you're traveling solo, and that device can be your best travel buddy. That's all in this video. For more such tips and tricks, keep following Supercore Tech. Thank you.